is me, Rexy Gamer 2.0, and I'm with my...
Tizzy!
Yeah.
So we are at a friend's house. We are obviously raiding her bedroom. She is currently taking a shower. And we figured we would just do a burping challenge. So Tizzy and I...
Why you left the camera right there?
Oh, where did her dog go? We were supposed to be babysitting. Is that it?
Yeah. She fell off like a baby monkey.
What the heck? How did she fall off from it? We are just really bad babysitters, aren't we?
She's not bad.
Look, she wants to get in the cover. I've never seen something like that. Alrighty. Alright, well, let's get this burping challenge started. I'll go first. Oh, that was a good one. I can't believe I killed it on the first try. Alright, Rexy, go. It sounds like you're having issues.
I can't do it.
Alright, let me try again.
Okay.
Hey, I just saw.
So what?
Your PJs match your shirt. That is too cool. Huh, when I said hurry up and throw something on, you like literally threw something on. All right, let's see. What about me? Go. Okay, let's try me. Oh, you weren't done? I think that's enough. Don't hurt yourself now. My turn. No, you have to kind of build it up. Like,
how am I supposed to build it up? Like, I'm having my hiccups any minute.
No, you just kind of.
Now I have them. Like,
No, just. No. No. Look, you just go like this. Look. Get your little crusty off. So look, you just go like this. All right, guys. Well, we will try again in another session.
They're kind of about me, but I'm always a dog. No one ever said me. I'm the best.